Hi, hello. Welcome back to a new video related to teaching jobs in UAE. Actually, this video is not new. I already discussed this topic in my previous video and I got many comments to do the same in Hindi or English. Since I am not very good in Hindi, I am doing the same topic in English. So today our topic is teaching license in UAE. Before that, if you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and press the bell button also for further updates related to the jobs in UAE. And also please scroll down and please watch my previous video if you want to know more about the teaching jobs in UAE. Okay, now in this video we are going to cover some important things about teaching license. That includes what is meant by teaching license, and how this teaching license, why this teaching license is mandatory in UAE schools, and also how we can take a teaching license. Okay, so our first question is, what is meant by teaching license? So the answer for this question is very simple. The teaching license means it is nothing but a legal permit to work a person as a teacher among the schools of UAE. I think as you know, all the hospital staffs including doctors, nurses, pharmacists, everyone should be licensed, right? They need a legal permit to work as a hospital staff from the ministry. Similarly, in teaching section, also in teaching sector also, the UAE ministry is giving a legal permit for a person to work as a teacher. That is what is teaching license. Now secondly, why this teaching license is compulsory in UAE? Since for 2 years this teaching license is very compulsory in UAE schools. If a person needs to work as a teacher, she or he should take the license. So why it is compulsory? So the answer for this question is also simple: to improve the quality of our education. So we know that we can't simply go and take the teaching license. It's following a lots of steps. Okay, before we are applying for a teaching license, we should complete many steps. Okay, and also it consists of different exams. So only the qualified person can get this license. So that means if a school contains all the teachers who are licensed, means that shows the quality or the standard of that school. So in order to improve the standard of the schools, all the schools in UAE, and hence to improve the education sector, the quality of the education sector in UAE, this teaching license is very mandatory. Now the final and the very important question that you would like to know is how we can achieve a teaching license. So as I told, before taking or before applying for a teaching license, we have to complete many steps, like we have to attest our certificate, we have to take the equivalency, like that lots of steps we have to follow. Okay, so if you want to know it in detail, I will do a separate video including all these process. So once if we are applying for a teaching license, actually this teaching license is nothing but it is a kind of exam. Okay, so that exam contains two parts, two papers. The first paper is a pedagogy paper, and secondly we have a paper that is a subject related paper. So in which subject you are specialized, in that subject you will get a question paper including all the topic from your specialized subject. Okay, so in both of these paper we should score a minimum mark, then only we will get the teaching license. And if you are failing in the first attempt, you will get a training section by the ministry also. Okay, so Why I am discussing all these things, means these things related to teaching license now, is recently I have seen a news related to this teaching license, that not only for teachers, all other staffs who are working in UAE schools require this license. I don't know how much it is correct, or just I have seen this news, so on behalf of this news I am doing these things, the fundamental things related to teaching license that you would like to know. So if you want to know more about these, a detailed video we can do later, and if you have any doubt you can comment below. And thanks for watching. See you, bye, take care.